For your Hawaiian burgers, you'll need a can of sliced pineapples, a pack of sweet Hawaiian buns, a box of turkey burgers, and some provolone cheese. Alright, so get those turkey burgers in your skillet, and you're going to go ahead and just flip them every 3 to 4 minutes. Kind of let them get cooked. So, I mean, they're frozen, so you're going to let them cook 3 to 4 minutes in each of your pans. So again, continuous flipping every 3 to 4 minutes. Continue to flip and press. So these take a total of, I would say, about 15-20 minutes in the skillet to get fully warmed up and cooked. So just patiently keep flipping. Alright, so the burgers are pretty much warmed up. So what we're going to do now is we are going to make some room, and we are going to be putting the pineapples in. So we're going to get those fried up. So flip those 2 or 3 times, and then we'll be adding the sauce in to warm it all up together. After about a minute or so, you can go ahead and give those pineapples a flip. Just be careful, fall apart. So you're going to get that nice golden color. Alright, so I went ahead, I turned the heat down. So we're going to lower that flame, and then we shook up our teriyaki sauce. So this is nice and thick, it's got the seeds in it, so we're going to go ahead and add that into the pan. So the point here is just to gradually warm this up. And again, go ahead and flip, get this all warmed up. Once the pineapples have been grilled on both sides, go ahead and assemble them on top of your turkey burger. And again, flip it, let all that sauce, that teriyaki, get nice and warm. So as an option here, I've added some Provel cheese. To that Provel cheese, you could also add a couple slices of bacon on there. So just let this cheese warm up and melt for a minute or two, and then you're ready to assemble.